This is the US dollar chart. Now, the reason why this is important is the market likes to move inverse to the dollar. If the dollar goes up, the markets go down, and that's the name of the game. So what's happening here, this is the daily chart of the dollar. Not only do we see a sharp move up in the US dollar over the last really 3 or 4 months, but look at this. We're green again today. I know it's hard to see. And look at this. We're now into this resistance level right here, okay? Now, the key to this is understanding what this means. Now, what it means to me is that the dollar is short-term extended, and it's also into resistance. So resistance 1, 2, and 3. Now, again, you'll hear people talking about, wow, the dollar is going to keep going up and up. I don't buy it, and I'm still not buying it. We're still into resistance, and a good technician, a good technical trader doesn't buy it unless it breaks out. Now, again, remember, everything I do is probability based. So right now, hitting this trend line, you're into resistance. If we break through it, a new ball game starts. But right now, we're still into this level, and therefore, to me, the markets, again, are into a point on the dollar where we're at resistance and we may pull back. All right, so again, just to understand that aspect, again, I can zoom in on the chart real quick for you guys to be able to see a little bit closer here. If we zoom in there, that's today. This is the current candle. It is green, which means, what does it mean for the markets, right? It means markets are down this morning, which again is continuing the sell-off from yesterday. But also, we are into the high pivot for the last 3 days. In other words, the dollar has been stalling here, but trying to break out. It's trying. You got to give it credit. It is trying to break higher, but as of now, it's unable to. So this is number one of what I'm watching in the markets, okay? You got to keep an eye on the US dollar. If it breaks out, that's possibly a very big negative for the overall markets. Okay, so that's the dollar.